ready to ditch the exchange and take control of your Ethereum security. Let's get your ETH safely locked away on a Trezor hardware wallet. First, unbox your Trezor and connect it to your computer using the USB cable. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Trezor Bridge, which allows your Trezor to communicate with your computer. Now, navigate to Trezor. Start in your web browser. You will be prompted to initialize your device. This crucial step sets up your Trezor and generates your unique recovery seed. Write down your 12 or 24-word recovery seed on the provided paper card, in the exact order shown on your Trezor screen. The seed is your backup. Keep it secret and safe. Never store it digitally. Once initialized, access your Trezor Ethereum wallet through the Trezor Suite application. You may need to download and install this if you haven't already. To receive ETH, click the Receive button. Verify the displayed Ethereum address on both your computer screen and your Trezor device to ensure it hasn't been tampered with. This address is where you'll send your ETH. To send ETH, click Send. Enter the recipient's Ethereum address and the amount you want to send. Again, carefully verify all details on both your computer and Trezor screen. Your Trezor will prompt you to confirm the transaction on the device itself. Use the buttons on your Trezor to confirm. This is the final, physical layer of security before your transaction is broadcast to the Ethereum network. And that's it. You've successfully stored and transacted with Ethereum using your Trezor, significantly increasing your security against online threats. Now you can rest assured your ETH is in safe hands.